Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to remove the background of an image in DaVinci Resolve 18. Let's say this is my image, this woman right here, and what you want to do is go over to the color tab, then click on the window, then select this tool, and then what you want to do is just go around your shape that you want to cut out. Okay, once you are finished, right click here, go to Add Alpha Output, then connect the blue point with the blue point. And now the background is removed. And of course, this tutorial can also be used for videos, not only photos. Then go back and then, for example, let's just say, I don't know, I'll choose this video. Then you can put this on top and this on video 1. And now you have the lady and then the water in the background. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to remove the background from an image in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.